Best story for listening. Listen and repeat after me. The Orphan and the Talking Bird. In a village by the great river, a kind potter had 2 wives. When the first wife died, she left behind a bright-eyed daughter named Lena. The second wife, Binta, favored her own 2 daughters and made Lena sleep with the goats. One hungry season, Binta declared, "The food is only for my girls. Let Lena find her own meals." Remembering her mother's last words, "When hungry, listen for the song of red feathers," Lena wandered into the baobab grove. There perched a crimson weaver bird who sang, "Little child with empty hands, take my seeds from golden sands." The bird led Lena to a hidden clearing where millet grew year-round. Each day Lena returned, growing stronger, while her stepsisters starved on Binta's meager meals. "Where does she get such rosy cheeks?" the jealous stepsisters demanded. They tied a thread to Lena's dress and followed her to the magic field. Binta rushed to her husband. "That field rightfully belongs to my daughters." When the potter tried to plow the field, the earth turned to stone. Binta screamed, "If we can't farm it, no one will." She set fire to the clearing. As flames licked the sky, the bird cried, "Burn the seeds, break the charm, but love will shield you from harm." Lena wept until her tears doused the flames, revealing unburnt seeds at her feet. She planted them by the riverbank, where they grew into a magnificent tree overnight. When the chief's son came to admire it, the bird dropped a ruby fruit into his hands. "Who tends this wonder?" he asked. The bird sang, "She who tends with gentle heart shall never more be torn apart." The chief's son found Lena and was captivated by her wisdom. At their wedding feast, Binta tried to curse the couple, but the bird cast a spell. Every cruel word turned to butterflies. The stepsisters, seeing this magic, repented and became Lena's truest friends. And so the potter's household knew peace. The bird sang in the chief's courtyard, and Lena's children learned to listen for songs in the rustling leaves.